Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you on a Friday. It is June the 9th. It's about 1 o'clock, and I have to end the stream early today. I have an event planned this afternoon, and yeah, I want to get this summary video out before I go do that. But yeah, today is I think, day number 32 for the summary reports. So if you're new here, created this channel about 8 weeks ago to journal my trading journey, and I'm currently trading 20 Apex accounts. No, sorry, 18 Apex accounts. And yeah, that basically journaling everything. And I'll do a summary report video at the end of every day. All my trades are done live, and also do a weekly summary report at the end of every week. Look for that video tomorrow. This channel, it is very important to me that I am fully transparent with you guys. So I will show my profit and loss at the end of every day. You'll see all my trades live. And I think it's very important that I'm fully transparent. I don't want there to be any questions about legitimacy. But today, also, before we get into the day, I do want to mention again, the Apex 80% discount sale is ending Monday. So I know we have a weekend, Saturday, Sunday, usually not too much going on, but yeah, just a friendly reminder that the 80% discount sale is ending on Monday at midnight. So if you want to use that 80%, want to use my code, I would appreciate it. Use the link down below, I would appreciate it. But if not, use someone else's code or use someone's code. Make sure you get that discount. And if you plan to get evaluation accounts, make sure you do it before Monday midnight so that you don't pay too much for your accounts. Okay, let's just jump into today. Overall, today was, trying to think of a word. I would say neutral. Probably slightly disappointed on the day, but basically this morning had a nice trade this morning right here and captured a really nice move on this NQ where I was up about $500 on my two accounts that I'm currently trading. Again, if you're new, my current strategy for trading these 20 accounts is to take the two accounts with the lowest balance and trade only those two accounts using the trade copier. And then currently I'm also trading two evaluation accounts. Just to be full transparency, these two accounts here are the evaluation accounts that I'm trading, basically just to replace those two accounts that I lost earlier in the week. But I took two trades before stream on these two evaluation accounts and captured a really nice move. So we currently are sitting at about $1,700 and $1,500 in profit on those two evaluation accounts, which was great. Obviously, those accounts are not going to be included in the profit and loss. Only the funded accounts are included in the profit and loss. Obviously, that's what matters. But I just wanted to make that clear. But today, these two accounts were the accounts that I was trading today. Started the day off really well. We had this trade right here on this momentum, got a really nice move. And but then let me just switch so this looks right. Okay, so basically right here we entered, had a really nice move, captured, I think 50 ticks total, had $450 in profit on both accounts. Entered another trade right here, captured another 20 ticks. So we were up about $520 per account on these two accounts. Was very happy with it. I'm actually going to switch to the 3-minute chart. But then we had this move. I was looking for a bounce right here, entered long, and I got stopped out on this trade. This trade I'm not happy with in hindsight, obviously, but I'm trying to have a little bit higher time frame before I'm entering trades. And on this one, I didn't. And if I switch to the 15-minute, this is the trade. There's no justification for entering that trade. But yeah, we got stopped out. And then here, looking for this to continue selling off, entered here, got stopped out by one tick. Just unfortunate and a little bit frustrating. Entered again here, and then I went through a couple of phases of drawdown, and I'll go over it in TradeZella a little bit more, but basically I was impatient. End of the day like that. So, and then these accounts here that are $11 loss. Basically, I just wanted to make a trade on a micros so that the other accounts don't just sit dormant. I wanted to basically get a trading day for those accounts. So that's what those accounts are. We just basically entered a trade and we took a small loss. But that's what that is. Primarily, we were trading these two accounts. But yeah, we were in the profit of, close to a little bit over $500 per account. Obviously, hindsight, you think about, hey, I should have just stopped. Should have just stopped at that point, but it is what it is. All right, well, let's just quickly look at, we use TradeZella. I use TradeZella to show my profit and loss and journal my trades. So that's what you're seeing here. Obviously, you can see if you're new, we are in the red, we're in drawdown, and we're trying to get these accounts back to life. That's why we have kind of changed our strategy. But for today, we made 8 total trades. This trade actually this morning, the first one this morning, this was done pre-market. It was actually an accident. I did not mean to enter, and I accidentally entered, and I just quickly got out again. But these two trades are, this trade was the ES trade this morning, captured just a little bit of a profit this morning. And then this was the nice trade that I showed just a minute ago. And then we had a small winner here. And then this was the trade where I was just a bad entry, shouldn't have even taken the setup. And then this trade here, I want to just show again. I try to always show the trade where not the best trade, where I make the most money, but I try to show the trade that I made a mistake on or a trade that I can learn from. So that's what we're doing here. If this can load, it's supposed to load here, which I'm not sure why not. It's saying invalid symbol. I've had that happen before. We're just going to keep it, but okay, so the $620 loss. So this is the loss where it just went against me. I actually want to show the other trade. And I got stopped out. That was the loss. I got stopped out by one tick. This $62 profit is the one I wanted to show. Hopefully this will load. Doesn't look like it will. Unfortunately, we can actually show, I can show it right here. Basically, after getting stopped out here, I entered again on a short, again was in drawdown. And when we came down here and we were very close to my profit, and then we bounced again, and I kind of panicked out and just took a small win. Instead of sticking with my stop loss where I had it, instead of being patient, I panicked out a little bit. And it's again that mentally working through that fear of losing and just that whole thing. So I'm still learning. I'm a learning trader. But yeah, then we obviously had a really nice move down, of course. And of course I missed it. So that was a little bit frustrating to end the day like that. But overall, we still ended with a very small win on these two accounts. Basically, these $11 losses basically was a break-even trade day. It's kind of how I look at it, but we learned some things, and hopefully we can take this into next week and continue going. But I'm going to end the video at that. And hopefully, yeah, everyone has a great rest of your weekend, great rest of your day. And hopefully, we will see everyone Monday morning and we'll continue on this journey. Take care.